Welcome class 5 in your EVS e-learning class. As we are continuing from testing to digestion, and we have completed what is digestion and how the food is being digested and what kind of food we should have to take and why do we like different taste of the food. So these all we have already discussed. Now refer to page number 32. There are two cases are given for the food and about the good health. So we will discuss it today. Dr. Aparna has two patients, Rashmi and Kailash. Dr. Aparna talked to them to find out more about them. So whatever her findings we will see here. First one is Rashmi, who was only 5 years old. She looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly. That means his stomach looks like a pot and just like a balloon. Okay. She often falls sick. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have the strength even to play. And what about the food? She is lucky if she can get a little rice or a roti to eat in the whole day. That means she belongs to maybe a poor family, maybe her conditions were not so good to get the enough food or to nourish her body. That's why she hardly got one chapati or some rice to eat. So it was her problem. She was not getting the proper food and she was not getting the all nutrients in her body. In the next case, we will see the case of Kailash. He was only 7 years old. He looks older than his age. Why anybody can look older than his own age when they become very fat, isn't it? So his body is fat and flappy. He has pain in his legs. He was not so active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. Food he does not like to eat, home cooked food and dal, rice, vegetables and roti. He only thinks he finds tasty are chips, burgers, pizzas and soft drinks from the market. So the taste of his food, the food habit was not good for him. That's why he was become very fatty and flappy. As he become very flappy, his weight become too much and his legs were just able to carry the weight of a 7 years old boy, but his body becomes so fatty and weight was too much. That's why these legs were unable to carry the weight of his own. Okay. So what Dr. Aparna suggested them? Dr. Aparna measured the height and the weight of both the children. Then she told them there is only one treatment, and what was that? Proper food. So why they were not getting the proper food? We will discuss the questions. Why do you think Rashmi could get only one roti in the whole day? So I think she belonged to a family in which maybe everyone were trying to they tried to earn their livelihood and they were little bit in a poor conditions. So maybe she did not get the food for her family conditions and the only remedy of her any kind of problem was food, because she was whatever the food she was getting, it was less than her age and she had to get little bit more nutritious food. Okay, so that's why it was her problem. So whatever the things, she could get more food, at least one glass of milk, some fruits and proper roti, chapati on dal or vegetables. So it is a complete food that she was not getting. So she was not getting the balance or the complete food. That's why she was underweight and she was not properly grown. Next one is the next question. Do you think that Kailash would like games and sports? No, he did not like. I think he did not like any kind of games and sports. He was associated with only TV and different type of computer games. That's why the whole day long he was spending by watching the TV or by watching the computer game or playing the computer game. That's why he had no activities. And he was eating, in the same time he was eating the junk foods That's why his body weight becomes so much that even his eggs were unable to carry his weight. Okay. And the third question, what do you understand by proper food? What is proper food? I hope you people know what is the proper food. And there are sections of the food. What are these sections? Complete bodybuilding food means proteins are there. And energy giving food means whatever the carbohydrate portion is there, and who fights for you for the diseases and save you from the diseases. These are the vitamins and the minerals. Along with it, in the proper food, we have to take lots of water and roughage, isn't it? So these all makes our food balanced food, or from the all section of these food items, we should have to take 1 and 2 items within our meal. And you know what is our diet and difference between the diet and the meal? Diet means the whole day long whatever you are eating, and the meal means one time food. So in a diet means from breakfast to your dinner, you have to take all sorts of food by which you can get all kinds of nutrition. Okay, so that makes a proper food or the balanced diet. Next one is, why do you think that the food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? As when we compare both of their food, then Rashmi was not getting the proper food. She was just feeding, or she fed only 1 chapati or sometimes little bit rice without having any dal and vegetables. That means she was getting only the carbohydrate from her food, and no vitamins were there, no minerals were there, and she was just lack of energy, as she was not getting any energetic food, isn't it? And what about this Kailash? He was getting all the food which were, you can just categorize them, the junk foods, which were sugary foods, and the fatty foods. So these all were full of the fat items and the sugary item. And this only to have the food from the carbohydrate section and from the fat section is not good, because up till a limit, or you can say till a limit, these foods are useful and they are giving you the energy. And more than its need, it will take this type of sugary foods or the fatty foods, it will convert into fat, and they makes us flappy and fat. And that time the person become disease. Fat is already a type of disease, we know that is obese. Okay, so these all type of food we should not have to take. Each and every day we have to take the balanced diet. Okay, so these all answers we have just discussed, and in my next class I will give you all the answers in the written form. Till that, goodbye. Have a nice day.